Well, I decided to try and fix up my record player tonight. The motor wasn't turning before, so I took it all apart, and I don't have any idea what I'm doing really, and kind of gave up on trying to figure out what was wrong with it. Put it back together, and just for the hell of it, I turned the switch, and what do you know? it, it started turning. It makes a lot of noise. I gotta oil it up, but yeah, I mean you can hear it. Hear that? That's not the record, but it plays. This is probably the first time it's played in a whole bunch of time. And what better music to start playing than Chuck Berry? I'm really surprised with myself.